Trooper nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
एनुअल परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर, एक परेड 2IC, 6 मार्चिंग ऑफिसर, 2 फ्लैग प्लाटून परेड पर परेड आपका निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है.
Inspect the parade. Ladies and gentlemen, you may kindly take your seats.
Tnat jongka civil defense bat ka home guards jongka sorkar jella hakan riu tarik unok pra arhajar arpawe. Kala Rakhe ya ka jingdap san phu khandai snem jongka jing Rakhe ya ka annual day mentau snem arhajar arpawe. Ya ka balapan long haka jaka ajing hikai hamau deng diang shelong. Hakan ikasngi ubak penyai sing siem MLA Kamauran Keneng constituency ula long kemukong san haka jing don langki he pulet jongka Tnat home guards ba civil defense ka jella. Layok ru bansam hiki kusnam chiki pulet ka Tnat home guards ba civil defense leng bagi kam ki bagi wan ra ba treibha.
October 2014. He was re-elected as MDC in the year 2019 and served as Deputy Executive Member till the 7th of March.
तेज चल से प्लाटूनों के निकात कलम में मान से गुजरेंगे. नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे.
The second platoon approaching the saluting dais is that of the border wing led by the third platoon approaching the saluting dais is that of the district training center East Khasi Hills led by Sub-Inspector Shem Palang Dakarn. Of Sayonara.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the recipients of the Civil Defense and Home Guards medals for meritorious service. I also congratulate those who have received the Dis and Commendation Certificate 2020 from the Director General Civil Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi, and the Commandant General Home Guards and Director Civil Defense, Meghalaya, Commendation Certificate 2021. I am sure they, along with their family members, are very proud of the recognition which they have received. I am also sure that in future, these officers and men will show great sincerity and devotion to duty. The award of these medals should serve as an inspiration to others for performing their official duty in a more diligent manner.
The next recipient. Thank you. The next recipient.